Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see a Java program to swap two variables value. Let me create a class file. Class name is swap two variables. Variable value, maybe I'll keep it as value, var and value. So this is the class name. I'm creating it. So as usual, we have to create the main method. So let me create it. Yes, VM, the shortcut, just press tab button. So it will add main method for you. So basically, uh, let me tell you the input, right? The input is, for example, A equal to 4, then B equal to 6. So this is the input value, and the output should be A as should contain the B value, that is 6, right? That's the input value. Then B should have A value, that is 4. So this is the requirement. The input A as a value 4, B as a value 6. But after the program execution, the A, right, the A value should contain the B input value, and the B variable should contain the A input value. So that's our requirement. Let's see how to achieve this in the program. Basically, we need two input variable, right? For this, I am declaring two int data type. So int A equal to 4, then int B equal to 6. So we declare two variable, right? Now we need to think how to swap the value, right? For that, I'm going to declare one temp variable. Like it's a, it can, the name can be anything, but this variable is used to store any of this variable value. Like I let me explain you. Like I'm declaring one temp variable. This can be any name. I'm just for this example I keep it as temp, but you can name it any variable name, and assigning the value, right, to this temp variable A value. So now, right, the temp contains the value of A, right? So the temp currently having the value 4. So what I am doing now is I am going to set the value for A. So the requirement is to set the B value to A, right? So I'm just basically assigning B value to A. Now the A contains B value, right? So that's why we assigned A equal to B. So now A value variable contains value 6, right? Now the B value, right? We have to assign A, right? But the problem here is A currently holds the value of B, which is 6, right? We cannot assign directly to B. So we already assigned the A value to which variable? Temp variable, right? So the temp variable to be assigned to B. Now if we add a sysout, right? Printout statement for A and B, maybe I'll add it input input. Yeah, I'll keep it A, then B. After executing, right? Here I alternate a concatenation operator. Here also B. Let me copy and we'll see the output here. I'll add this before our process starts. So this is our input. So this is our output. So that's end of program. Let me execute and I'll show you the result. It's executing now. Let's see the output at bottom. See the input as A equal to 4, B equal to 6, right? But the output as expected, A has B value which is 6, B has A value which is 4. So this is correct, right? Let me try with different value. Like for A, I am assigning value 10. For B, I am assigning value 20. 20. Let's rerun this and I will see the output. It is executing now. We got the output like A has 20 of B value, B has 10, which is A variable value. So as expected, we got right. So so this is the example to swap two values of two variable. Thank you.